Hi guys, it's Caroline, Queen of Scraps in Cambridge, New Zealand. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm just getting ready for a class next week. We're doing a techniques class and we're going to be doing some interactive cards. This is one I've put together this afternoon using the Hooray for Surprises bundle, which is in the mini catalogue that started at the beginning of this year, 2024. This is a fun little card. I've put this together with some retired paper as usual, but it's got this cool little interactive device here. I put the little pull label on it, just a little square card, and when we pull on the pull tab, it's just going to come off, and we're going to have a little card that will open up like this. And as another option, you'd have the opportunity to put in a little gift card. It will fit inside there, and there'll be a little pocket that you can put the gift card in. But you can see it's just fun to have this little tear part, and you've got your matching inside and the sentiment there. So there we go. Hope you like this idea, and this will be one of the ideas we'll be exploring in class. We have some other interactive ideas as well. We'll be making a shaker card and we'll also be making a slider card. It'll sure be a fun class, and these cards will be fun to receive as well.